This is the first simple animation that we can create, just a face, an animated face, and it's going to be a cell-based approach. So to run it, I'll just click Control plus Enter, or the return key. So Control plus Enter, and that's all we're going to do for the minute. Okay, so when you first open up, the first thing you want to do is to create a new animation. So you need to choose ActionScript 3, and you'll get a stage here. To make that stage fill up that area a bit more, we just go to this hand tool and do double click, and that will make it easier for us. The first thing I'd do would be to save. So we're going to save it. And I'm just going to, I haven't started this one, I'm just going to call it face animation. Yep, okay. So the first thing we'll do is draw a face, and then we'll animate it. The brush tool, choose whatever colour. I think we'll just stick to black and white. And what you'll notice here, when you first start to draw, you can see it's a bitmap. So it's all pixelated. But once it forms, it actually turns it into a vector graphic. So what the difference is with that is that when you go to, if you want to increase the size of a vector graphic, it doesn't have that pixelated issue, and you can resize it and it's still looking quite good, and we can also morph it. So that's an aside. I'll just get rid of that. Okay, so continue. All right, paintbrush, so we'll just do a couple of eyes, some hair. That'll do. Okay, so that's added to our first keyframe. Okay, the next thing we want to do is you want to animate it, so we're going to add a new keyframe. So if we click on this next cell here and press F6, adds a new keyframe, and it copies the image over. So we can actually animate this image. So we click on the selection tool, and you'll notice what it does when it sort of goes near the line. It changes into these different cursors. So what we'll do, we'll just use this one for the minute, and we will stretch him. Okay, make it a bit more, maybe look like he's poking his tongue out. So we can do that again. So go to the next one, press F6, and it copies this one, but notice here, so we've got that. Click that, and I think we'll make him a bit pokey outy a bit more. Okay, and next one, do it a little bit more. So again, notice I have to click off it to be able to get to that tool, and then click and drag, and I think that'll do for the minute. So again, if we want to run that, we just go Control Enter. Okay, very good. Okay, so I'll just close that. So we'll save him, and when you save, it just saves the project, it doesn't save the animation. Okay, so what we could do is probably modify the document. Contents, match contents. Try that. Ah, that's cool. Okay, there's what we want. Yeah, cool. All right. Okay, so to save him, save and publish. So file save, that saves your project.